how to open a Morgan Stanley account. Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to create an online banking account for Morgan Stanley Bank. Alright, so let's begin. So, first of all, open up your web browser. Then, in the address bar, type in www.morganstanley.com. Once you do so, just press enter and it should take you to this site. Over here, go to the right and click on the Morgan Stanley online link. It should take you to the login page for your internet banking account. Once you create your account, you can log in here by providing your username and password. Now, in order to create a new internet banking account, just click on the Create Username option. After that, you need to register for your internet banking account. Provide your account number and the last four digits of your social security number. Once you do that, click on Continue and follow the steps to authenticate yourself and create your profile. So that's basically how you can create an online banking account for Morgan Stanley. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.